Good morning, YouTube. We have vehicle problems. We are not in the woods yet. Cocoa Puff is working some truck magic. Do the normal diagnostics and the vehicle still won't start, so we're going to pull the starter off and put a new one on. But there's no parts store in town, so we're going to have to go down to a neighboring town, Kingfield or Rangeley, to get some parts. So we're going to jack up the red pickup, pull the starter out, throw a new one in, and see if that fixes it. Then we're going to go get a deer. Because this is life. Sometimes it doesn't go the way you expect it to. But this won't bother us. Will it?
I got more blocking.
Not a big deal, really.
Oh yeah, we need solenoid. You wiggle that wire, no solenoid moves.
Heads up, 3, 2, 1. So it turns out that it's the solenoid that's attached to the starter underneath the motor. So we're gonna need a new one of them. That's okay. That ain't gonna stop us.
Alright, give me that socket and ratchet back. I gotcha. Alright. Now.
How's it going today?
Starter.
It is confirmed. Starter.
Rangeley will take a day and a half. That wasn't Rangeley.
It's gonna be a great day. Rainbow and broad daylight. There's a dead bird in the back that was resisting arrest. That is awesome. There's a big buck down there. A buck with golden antlers. That's nice. That's where you guys are going.
Pipe Road beckons.
It beckons. It calls. Today is Wednesday. Is my first solo day this year in the woods. It's just me. I'm my own cameraman. We had a little rig trouble this morning. Dad and Jimmy stayed behind to go pick up a starter and work on the truck and get that running. Beaver, Keith, and I are back up in the woods, and I'm going to do something I've never done and slide down into the thick stuff down in the bottom, because all the deer over the last 2 days have kind of slowly been moving downhill. It's going to be a little bit warm today. It's a little windy too, but it's been a good day so far. We already got a bird. That rainbow earlier is pretty cool. That was something that you don't get to see too often, but there's a decent bit of wind. It's nice quiet walking today, so I think I can kick something up. And there's been a decent sized deer in here, so we're gonna make something happen. It's gonna be a great day. So let's go hunting.
First starter he gave us was wrong. That's a good sign. Hey, because the first starter he handed us
Was not the right one.
Not the right one. The gear wasn't right.
I was questioning it and you caught it. The gear wasn't even right. The cone wasn't. He was trying to talk me into it, but he doesn't listen. I told him 2015. As soon as he pulled that one out of the box, I said, no, that's the right one.
It's all about timing.
Yeah. This is how you YouTube. This is how you put a starter out in the woods. Your driveway. Now I'm coming out. We're gonna give her some juice and see what happens.
Whenever you're doing a starter, unhook the battery.
Yeah, because you touch wires against some metal.
You're not gonna like that.
You're gonna have some serious amount of spark.
Look at that. She lives. Game over.
Put it back together and we're out of here.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's the sound of a truck that's running.
Yes, it is.
Gotta go back out, find the boys, see what's happening. I don't think we missed a great lot, but hopefully we did.
Apparently our timing was a little bit off today.
I see she's running good now. What's up? How was your...
He was gonna go over to Big Timber.
Okay.
No, remember this truck.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
blue truck.
Cool, man.
Cow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Moose.
Yeah, it is.
You think so?
Yeah, young, like 3-year-old, but it's an adult, that's for sure. Because look how long the jaw is. See how thin it is here? That's how you know it's a cow, too. But, yeah, probably brain worm or something. Yeah.
Pick clean. Dogs gotta eat too.
Now the trees get to eat. She can keep watch over this spot. Squirrels can have something to chew on.
The vertebrae.
Okay. Onward, James.
Come on in.
Oh, geez,
Welcome to the
Welcome to the jungle.
welcome to the comb.
If you had ticks, this will scrape them off.
Or if you don't, this will give it to you. Well, it is the end of the day-ish. See the sun setting out behind me. I'm poking around on top of the mountain right now, and Dad's he's down there somewhere, a few hundred yards away. And as you can see, all our snow is gone. Maybe 2 days from now. The wind's been blowing a lot, and a lot of clouds, a lot of rain. So, you know, there's a chance that a front's moving in, that we could get some snow, because that'd be pretty awesome. But I'm gonna give you guys an update. Casey and I quartered his buck up, got it all undressed and in the freezer, and had just had some of the ribs, cooked the ribs up. That was really good. But nothing yet. We've been kicking up a few deer. No bucks yet. Haven't seen any bucks since his. And just trying to. Right now, you're really stumbling. You know, just hoping to come on to something, because this time of year. Well, not this time of year, but with this kind of conditions, as you can see, is a little bit difficult sometimes, because depending on the time of the day, the rut's just starting to get going. They're kind of walking around a little bit, and without snow, it can be a little bit more challenging to come up on a deer. But we're still doing our best. We're still out here, and plus it's early. Like we got, I don't know if today's the 6th or 7th. Today's the 7th. If today's the 7th, we still have 5 weeks left of deer hunting. So we got tons of time. If you guys have snow, let us know. What are you guys doing? Is anyone else having any luck? Have you guys gotten any deer yet? Send us some pics. But I'm gonna see if I can go find Dad and see if we can take the last hour or so here and see if we can kick up something. Maybe some birds, get some partridges. Oh, best eating. They're the best. But anyway, back into the woods. What a view.
now to twist that thing just right to get it back in that hole.
I could go inside and get Taylor's pillow, and you could put your head on that.
No, that's alright.
If we got a little dirt, it'd be all right, wouldn't it?
Probably the first time.
There goes your favorite hunting spot down the road. Well, it's Sunday, and it's the week before Thanksgiving, Sunday before Thanksgiving, and we're headed home. I'm going to go see everybody and kind of unwind a little bit. We've been at it for about 3 weeks straight here, so time to take a little bit of a break. It's just deer hunting.
Yep.
But we're going to head into Vermont and probably hunt there a little bit, and we're considering New Hampshire too. We want to see the snow conditions and what's going to happen next, and don't really have a clue there, but we'll see. And we wish everybody good luck hunting, and I also want to thank everybody for taking time out of your life to watch us and what we do. It's not a small thing, and I know a lot of folks really love to hunt, and they love the fact that we all get along together and have such a good time out in the woods, and really that's what it's all about. So we want to welcome you all to our channel and keep watching, and hopefully we can make something that's worth your time and effort. And I just want to tell everybody how much we appreciate it. And with any luck, oh, landed on the get off the camera.
Come here. Come on.
Whiskey Jack.
Step forward.
There you go. There you go. Anyway.
So anyway, good luck with everything, and we'll keep the wildlife coming anyway.
Yep. They're around us open. Yeah. Hopefully more deer.
So long, everybody.
See ya.
Thanks again. Take care. Happy hunting.